Hello friends, my name is Pallav Natraj and I am from Usha Martin Limited. I got an opportunity to get enrolled in PGDQM. Came with an open slate, had no idea what I am going to do inside the arena. When I entered in, from the gate itself, I felt the fragrance of quality inside it. The systematic approach, the humbleness from the staffs, it showed all. Different people from different organizations with tons of experience. And being in such a place, it was a great feeling. Starting the course with an ice-breaking session gave me a glimpse how the course is going to be. One of the best part of this course is it gives you an overall development in a persona. The whole phase is divided into three categories, three parts, and after each phases we get ample amount of time so that we can go back home and practice whatever we learned from this college. The training involves lots of games and practical sessions as well, which helps us in freezing the concept which we learned theoretically. Well, I can't stop myself in praising the faculties of MIQ. The best part is the faculties came all across India and overseas as well. The quality gurus from Japan who had decades of experience in quality showed us the picture of quality, what it is and how much it is important, and how they used quality in their own plant. They showed us the path which they followed to achieving the quality excellence. In this course, I came across a new concept of SLT, self-learning team. The whole group of classes is divided into small bunches so that we can go back in a hostel and we can do our assignments which were given individually to the SLTs. And this helped in clearing us our doubts which were arising in the classroom. Now, a new concept which came in this campus which I came across was Gyan Sagar, and it's really a knowledge bank for the participants. MIQ encourages 360-degree development of a participant, either it is from soft skill or it is through Apex, which helps yoga. During the classroom session only, we got an opportunity to visit several multinational companies like Boss, Lucas, TVS, etc. This is must because what we learn is theoretical, and when we see it practically inside the plant, it gives you a great feeling and the learnings get in deeper and deeper. Now, before coming to MIQ, I had a bit of knowledge of quality, but now I can call myself as a change agent and I have learned more and more about quality. Thank you.